What if every compensation formula you build in Excel could become visual, reusable, and connected to live data? That's Logic Builder. Think of each block like a formula in Excel. Together, they build your compensation logic. Only now you can actually see how everything connects. Preview calculations for an individual provider or drill into any period to understand exactly how compensation is being calculated. Variables work just like X and Y in math or named cells in Excel. Define them once, connect them to your data, and Logic Builder uses them throughout your compensation plan. Connect variables directly to your organization's data and define exactly how compensation should be calculated for your business. Every organization builds compensation differently. Logic Builder adapts to your plans instead of forcing you into someone else's model. Build compensation plans the way you think, validate every calculation, and move from spreadsheet management to compensation intelligence.